We, we are modern couple. You work hard, I take care of Tyler.
Yeah. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Well, it is early afternoon-ish, and I haven't talked to you guys all morning, but you guys have seen us. I have been doing some cleaning. Babe and I actually been doing some cleaning. That's what we do on Sundays. It's like Sunday is the day where I really deep clean for the week. So I really look forward to Sundays where I just get the house extra fresh. It's not just a little cleaning that I would do every day, but Sunday is like really a deep cleaning day. So got up this morning, babe and I actually sleeping a little bit. Got up, made breakfast, and we cleaned. Tyler's done for a nap, and I just got a shower, freshen up, and as you can see, I'm in my workout clothes because your girl is determined to work out today. So I really wanted to go outside for a run, but I wanted to go and run down by the beach. But Tyler is napping and I don't want to wake him up to go down by the beach right now. So I just put my clothes on. That way when he wakes up, I can be well on my way or something. Because I just, you know, when you just feel to do something, I don't feel like I want to run inside today. I really want to run outside because it's not looking so bad outside. So I want to go outside for a run and see what it's like. Yeah, so that's what I'm up to today. Oh, the Jamaican expression for today is when trouble take your pitney shot fit you. My grandmother always said this one. When trouble take your pitney shot fit you. This is a Jamaican proverb. It simply means that when you're in a desperate situation, you'll do any and everything to get the situation right or to accomplish whatever you want to accomplish. Okay, so when trouble take your pitney shot fit you. You get it? Make sure you get it. That's the Jamaican expression for today. And my husband is somewhere in this house playing games. Playing games. You wanna see him? Or you don't wanna see him? Let me show you. I'm not lying. Dun 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 dun.
Hi guys.
Game head.
Game head. Yeah, game head.
See, he's not even looking at you guys because he's so into this stupid game. And I can't tell you which game he's playing. He's playing Subway Surf. Subway Surf you're playing, don't you?
Yeah, but that's the only game I play on the tablet. It's an easy guess. It's an easy guess. No, one Beb said, I think we have done in the morning, just don't really know what to do now. Just waiting on Tyler to get up. And
So you better have something to eat and get ready by the time Tyler get up, because I'll be well on my way when Tyler gets up. I'm going to let you hear Babe's take on the Jamaican expression, when trouble take you,
picnic,
shot fit you.
shot fit you.
Say it.
When trouble take you picnic, shot fit you.
Right. I thought this one would be hard for him, but he get it really good.
No, it's easy when it's English, close to English. And this one close to English.
Okay.
You don't have all of these wood or things to say.
Okay. Alright, you guys, so that's Babe take on the Jamaican expression. Hey guys, oh my god, the bus is coming as I pick up the camera. You guys, we finally left the house and I'm going for my run down by the promenade and the bus is here, so I gotta go. Okay, you guys, so I'm finally going for my run. We're done by the promenade and I'm about to leave Babe and Tyler. I think they're gonna walk along the beach while I go for my run, but the aim is for me to run, to go all the way around there. So let's see how far I can go. Alright guys, wish me luck. Bye bye papa. Super.
Maman, elle est partie? Hein, maman, elle est partie? We are a modern couple. You work hard, I take care of Tyler.
Yeah.
I am tired, super tired, but workout is done. Feel accomplished and that's awesome. This is the definition of carry your workout with you anywhere you go. You can work out at home, work out at the beach, work out at work, work out at school. Just get your workout in. Stay motivated, stay determined. I'm super tired, so I'm just going to enjoy this beach, enjoy this view, relax with my babies, with my boys, and then we're just gonna head home. Hope you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day. Tyler. Thank you. He's just picking up stone and giving to me and Papa, and thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You look like Cinder, Little Red Riding Hood. Thank you. Thank you. I look a hot mess. You guys, we got back from the road. My run was super good, I must say. And I'm actually here now trying to make some dinner because we are super hungry. So I'm making some mashed sweet potato for Tyler that is cooking right here. I'm doing some steamed veg, which I'm going to have. Baby's going to have a little of this with some rice that is left over, and then I'm going to cook some salmon to go with that. So that's it for dinner tonight. I'm super hungry, so I just want to get it done, get it over with, and get it down my stomach. Okay, so let's go. Okay, you guys, so that's dinner for tonight. Dinner is ready and everybody's happy. Hi guys, so I'm just here editing the vlog and realized that we didn't end the vlog on that particular day. I'm really sorry, so I'm just coming on to end the vlog right now. Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Hope you guys enjoy hanging out with us as usual. Catch up and keep up. Thank you guys for always watching. Thank you for always helping us continue growing. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys in our next vlog. Bye guys.